What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Now Mom. I'm Rachel Bennett, and if you know me at all, you know I absolutely love Halloween. I love costumes. I love dressing up. I love very fun things like this. Now, I'm not like a scary Halloween person. I'm a cute Halloween person, so I love to do things all cute. And a lot of my friends ask all the time, why I need some like quick Halloween costume ideas? Let me know what you've got. So I have got your back. We have a bunch of easy Halloween costumes that you can find with stuff around the house. Let's get started. All right, we have assembled a bunch of costumes ready for you for Halloween with stuff that you can find around your house. We're gonna start with their classic ghosts. All right, Cora has white sheet and some black eyes. So we're just gonna do a real basic ghost, put the sheet over and tape some eyes to the ghost. Let's get dressed. Yeah, you're gonna wanna use a little bit of a transparent sheet so they can see through. So we're actually going to fold it a little bit in half. Now, I love traditional costumes because I think it brings back all the fun memories of creating your own costumes. So we're gonna let that hang down. And where we folded, which is a little bit in half, we're gonna drape over the back so it covers her. Okay, Cora, can you see through?
No, because
No, oh, that one? Okay, hold on. Ready, let's try that one more time.
Now I can see through.
Okay, Cora, you can see through?
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna use duct tape to tape our cardstock onto our ghost. So we actually want to not put it over her eyes so she can't see. Come on, the ghost is classic. We're gonna put it on her forehead. And now we have a scary ghost. All right, our next costumes are going to be really, really fun because I love doing like themed costumes, so like the whole family kind of fits together, but sometimes you only have like 2 people or 3 that want to do like a group theme. So we're gonna be doing ketchup and mustard. So first, all you're going to need is a red and a yellow shirt and some super simple cardstock. So girls are gonna get changed and then we're gonna get their hats all ready. Okay, while they're getting changed, I have made some ketchup and mustard signs out of this cardstock. I just found like the shape online and I wrote it with some cardstock, some Sharpies, and we're just gonna tape them to the shirts. Really simple and fast. We got dressed and we're going to pin these on with a bobby pin that Mom has in her hair. Really easy, just pulling it to the back and pinning it on so it doesn't fall off. There you go. And this one, I'm gonna pin right into her braid. Okay, here we go. All right, we got our hats on. Now, we need our mustard sign. Put that on your tummy. And here is your ketchup sign. Look how cute you are. Okay, ready? Here we have ketchup and mustard.
Squirrel.
All right, you can see the bobby pin in the hair. So cute. Love our ketchup and mustard. Turn around, girls. Woohoo! All right, our next costume is going to be a gypsy with a glass ball. So you're gonna need some cute flowy pants and a couple of scarves and of course a crystal ball. Okay, let's get dressed. Okay, our fun gypsy crystal glass ball reader is going to put on her pants, so she's got her cute pants on, and we're going to put some scarves on. So we have 2 different kinds. One is going to be a head one that we're going to fold kind of like this and do around the back. Really easy. The more bright colors, the better for these costumes. All right, so we have our big scarf and we're gonna be wrapping it around Cora, kind of like on the side of her. We're gonna kind of do like a side thing and up to one over the shoulder. There we go. And we have our beautiful gypsy.
Ooh. Let me tell you your future.
This costume is super cute. I love really cute costumes. We're gonna make Evie into a chocolate chip. Okay, Evie, we have put on her brown pants and keep her mustard shirt. And we have gotten a piece of cardboard that we have cut into a
chocolate chip.
A chocolate chip. So this is what she's gonna look like. All we've done is we've added some black cut out squares onto our cardboard for the chocolate chip. So let's go show it off. This chocolate chip is super cute. Evie cut a little bite. Is that your bite, Evie?
Yeah.
Evie cut a bite out of her chocolate chip, and on the back, all we've done is added a little handle so Evie can hold it with one hand. There you go. Okay, and we're gonna put a little chocolate chip on Evie's head. There we go. Look how cute you are, Evie. All right, thank you, Cookie. It's time for some more easy, super fun costumes. All right, our next costume is going to be a cute little homeless person asking and begging for candy. All right, so all you need is a bunch of some old junky clothes and a very cute sign that says, will work for candy. And we're going to pin this either to her shirt or put it around like with a cord. So let's get dressed, Cora. Okay, we got Cora dressed. We got some ripped jeans, some junky clothes, plaid shirt. She kind of looks like a lumberjack, but we are just trying to layer. We might even put on some, oh, that's a good idea. Let's put on these over your jeans. Sometimes the homeless look is layered, so we gotta use lots of layers. You could even like wrap a blanket around. Okay, here we go. Of course, we need a beanie, kind of, there we go. And we're gonna give Evie, Cora, the unshaven look. I've got some eyeshadow here. We're gonna give her a beard. This is some liquid eyeshadow. It's gonna look like Cora has never shaved in her life. Have you shaved, Cora?
Yeah.
Really? Let's get some more, hold on. It's gonna look unshaven and kind of dirty, but it's okay with this. It'll come off easy because it's just eyeshadow. Look how cute you look. All right. Where is our candy sign? All right, we have our extra pipe cleaners. We took 2 pipe cleaners and we're gonna make this into like a necklace. We're gonna put it around her and then we're going to tape it to the back of our work for candy sign. And this way she can hold a trick-or-treat bag. But it's important that it be a traditional trick-or-treat bag, which is, dun 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 dun, a pillowcase. All right, so it's gonna complete Cora's costume. Ready? Here we go.
People, please read my sign. I will work for candy. I will work for candy. I have lots of candy in here. I will work for candy. I will work.
Okay, stop. Look at this, cute, kind of messy, kind of disheveled look. Let's try this. Stand. Cutest costume ever.
Beard.
And the beard, you like the beard?
The beard's funny.
Okay. Okay, our next costume is very cute little kitten or cat. So all we have are some dark clothes. You should get black shirts and black pants if you have it. So we have some black leggings. We'll get dressed, and then all you also need is some pipe cleaners to make some really cute, easy ears. Okay, we are going to be making nice kitten ears for our kitten costume here. And we have fold 2 into triangles for the ears. Gonna be so cute. Get my bobby pins out again from my hair. Make sure you put 2 bobby pins for each one to give it the X that it needs to stay in the hair. Let's try this one. And then we're gonna put some cute black whiskers on our, look how cute our little kitten is. All right, we put whiskers on our cute Evie. Look how cute.
Ow.
And a simple, easy black cat costume. Our last super easy costume is going to be our fisher woman. And all you're going to need is a bunch of fishing supplies, like a plaid shirt, some jeans, and you've got the cutest fisher woman ever. We're almost dressed. We got our fisher woman, and she's got even her own fish. Where's your stuff? Look how cute our fisher woman is. And what's the best part, Evie?
I had my own fish.
And that's gonna be your
Dinner.
yes, but you can put your candy in here.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see your fishing outfit. She's got her rod in her case. Put that on your back. Hat, fishing net fish, and her fishing outfit. So cute. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed these easy costumes that you can make from anything around your house. So we did not use any costumes that we had like in the past. All of these were clothes that we found around the house or items that we found around the house. So I hope you guys enjoyed all of these fun costumes. Make sure you guys go check out theohanaadventure.com because we're gonna have pictures and details for all of these costumes and how-to instructions so you can make these costumes yourselves at home. I can't wait to see what you're gonna be for Halloween. Comment below if you guys do a family theme or what you're planning to do for Halloween. And if you need some non-trick-or-treat ideas, make sure you keep watching because next on the Now Mom is going to be fun non-trick-or-treat ideas that you can do for Halloween to make it a fun, eventful night. Thanks for hanging out, everybody. Again, I'm Rachel Bennett. We'll see you guys next time on the Now Mom.